Here's our 2011 Chevy Equinox. It's all-wheel drive LTZ. It's got every option I believe that you can possibly get. And you can see it does have the V6 engine here. 25,000 miles on her. Did have light front end damage. You can see everything in here has been replaced. You got brand new cooling fans, brand new radiator and condenser in there. Both front headlights are brand new. The grill's brand new. See, the engine's running right now. You hear absolutely nothing wrong with that whatsoever. Hood shuts fine. You can see all the lines line up there perfectly. The hood, one front fender, and the bumper cover were replaced. Does have the chrome package, chrome mirrors, chrome door handles. You can see that rim there's got no damage on it. Tires look, I would say they're about 60% or so. We got the it's got the two-tone leather interior, the black and the brown here. No damage or marks here on the seats. No owner's manual, unfortunately. Tinted windows. Moon roof. You see the backup sensors here on the rear bumper cover. Trailer tow package, and then dual exhaust. There's no scratches or anything like that in the rear. We do have a backup camera here. Does have the power rear hatch. Spare tire underneath. There was a cargo net. That's right there. And press the button there and fold up the rear door for us. Looks like there's a little bit more tread on the rear tires. I'd say the rears are about 70%. And no scratches or anything like that. I can't find any scratches on the vehicle whatsoever anywhere. And all the way around the vehicle whatsoever, I can't really find any marks or anything anywhere. So all the lines, like I say, they line up just fine. No damage up there on the roof. Does have the luggage rack. Going inside the vehicle, you can see we've got memory seats here as part of the LTZ package. The steering wheel does go, it's up and down, it's a manual, and then of course in and out. That'll lock. We've currently got 24,612 miles. Bluetooth. Here we've got our touchscreen radio, and then of course it's got navigation as well. So there's our navigation. So this is DVD navigation, all your radio. Radio works just fine. Here we've got your heated seats. I'll go ahead and shut it off really quick here. Open the door so it shuts everything off completely. We do only have one key. It does have remote start. Put the key in and start it up. It's a fresh start. You can see all the lights itself. They'll all go out, of course, after it starts up. So there's no lights on whatsoever except for the green, and that's just saying miles per hour. Roll the windows up. We'll go for a little drive. The vehicle has been serviced. Everything's been checked over. It has been aligned. There's absolutely nothing that this vehicle needs other than a new home. Set the cruise there, 58 miles an hour. And you can see I let go of the steering wheel. We're going straight down the road. I'm not touching it. I'll go ahead and hit the brakes. I'm still not touching the steering wheel. So it drives straight, brakes straight. There's no issues there whatsoever. Great running vehicle. Like I say, it's got the V6 engine, 3.0 liter, all-wheel drive, LTZ. As I explained before, I believe it's got every single option that you can possibly get in an Equinox. It's very beautiful. Of course, we got the moonroof up here. Shade itself will also close. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Thank you.